Welcome to 663 Boston Street, Unit 7, located in the historic Old Schoolhouse condominiums. This unit has much more style than the rest, with exposed brick walls, an open layout, and cathedral ceilings. Take a look inside and enjoy the tour. This is Michelle with the Ternullo Real Estate team. If you have any questions about this home or would like to schedule a private showing, please feel free to contact me at 781-517-4224 and be sure to check out our website at ternullorealestate.com.